Let's see how to set up the Vinija PHP script and install it on your server. So at the end of the video, you'll be having a full-fledged dynamic marketplace where users can register either as a freelancer or as an employer, and the employers can post jobs which the freelancers can complete to earn money. The freelancers then can post or submit the proof of their completion, and the employers can review those and pay them if the work or the proof is valid. This PHP script comes with great UI and complete mobile responsiveness. So this is just a view of the front end of the homepage. So this PHP script also comes with a great administrative panel. From here, you can administer the changes of the settings, monitor the job applicants, jobs, users, offers, offer orders, and so on. So let's see how to do those. At first, after the payment, you'll be redirected to a confirmation screen where you can view the purchase options, purchase history, and the details of your payment. So upon the completion of your successful payment from winijob.com, you will be receiving two emails, one saying that you are now a proud Winijob member, and another containing the login details for your winijob.com account. So let's click on the login details email. Here I can see my username, which is the email I used to check out. And this is the link. By clicking here, I can set my password for my winijob.com account. So you can just click on this and set your new password for the site. So I have already done that, and after you have set your password, you'll be redirected to your My Account page. So the interface looks something like this. Here, there's this download section. You can just click on this, and from here you can download your file. So I have got a 1-year license, so my file's name is Winijob 1 year version 1.0, which is the current stable version. So if you got a 6 months license, so then it'll be saying 6 months version 1.0. So so after you're in this screen, you can just click on this link to download the file. So this will be downloading a file like this, which will be of around 20 MB. So it's not really big. So after you have downloaded the file, now you can go ahead to the installation process. So but before proceeding to the installation process, let me show you one thing. So at first, you need to ensure that the domain or the subdomain you are installing the site in is in full HTTPS. So for the demonstration purpose, I will be installing the script on my subdomain. So this will be on test.winijob.com. So here, this is an empty site, which I'll be turning into a full-fledged dynamic Microsoft site in a few minutes. So this is the subdomain I want to install it for demonstration purpose. For your case, it might be a full domain. So the process will be still the same. So the first step of you will be to verify if your site is completely compatible with HTTPS. So for my case, it's HTTPS. You need to ensure that your site is accessible and it doesn't show any insecure error that cannot connect via HTTPS or something like that. You need to ensure that you have a valid SSL certificate. So in my case, I do have a valid SSL certificate. So in your case, if you don't have that, there might be some red sign or something. So you might need to get in touch with your host to check if they can help regarding that. So I have got my HTTPS, I've got a valid SSL certificate. Now let's proceed to the installation process. So I will open up my cPanel. So this I will try to show this thing in cPanel because most of the users will be in cPanel. Just in case you're not using cPanel, no worries. The process and the tools I'll be using is quite dissimilar, so the steps will be the same. So in my cPanel, at first I will search for MySQL database wizard. This is the tool I'll be using. I'll just open it in a new tab. So from here, I can create a new database. Let's name my database demo-test for demonstration purpose. Let's copy this and proceed to the next step. So the database named demo test has been created. Now I need to create a database user. So in the username section, I can just paste the same thing I used for the database name. You can use it different. It doesn't make any difference for this site. So it's just for easy demonstration. I'm using the same name everywhere. So we need to set a password for our database. Make sure it's strong so that it's protected against attacks. So let me set up a password here. Here the same password once again. So make sure to remember this password because we'll be needing this in the next step. Not the next step, but yeah, in the future steps. So I'll be clicking on create user. Great. Now the user has been created as well, but another thing left, which is to provide the privileges for this user to access this database. So I'll be clicking on all privileges so that I don't get any unexpected error regarding the databases. So I'll be clicking on make changes. Great. So my first step to complete installation is done. I created a database with a database user with all the privileges. So for now, I will be just copying this name. For my case, it's both the same. For your case, it might be different. So this keeps no value. You can just keep it same or different as you wish. So just make sure to copy both if you have different. So I'll be just copying this thing. Now the next step is to upload the file in your file manager. So after you have completed the download, you should have received a file like this, which is named something like this. So this is a zip file, so you need to extract it. So let me extract it on another folder. Okay, so just to let you know that this is not a full product file. If you upload this full zip in your server, it will not work because this is not a full zip. This contains some more extra folders. So if I go under it, here you can see there are two folders, documentation and upload. So we'll be needing to go under the upload, and here this is the file we need to upload to our file directory. So I'll be just selecting over there for now, and then going back, and I'll go under my file manager. So this is my file manager. So this is the file manager of cPanel. So in your case, it might be something different. It might be FTP server, SFTP server. It can be anything else, but the process is, as I mentioned, is the same. So we need to click on upload. Here we can drop the files we want to upload. So I'll be going on to my file manager. I'll be dragging these and dropping this over here, so it will get uploaded in some moments. So let's wait until it's completed. Great. So it's green and 100%. That means it's completed. So let's click to go back to the cPanel, which is here. I can reload the page. Yeah. So here, this is the zip I received. So I can just click on this to extract it over here. I'm in my subdomain folder, which is just .winijob.com. So I'll be extracting this in the root. So I'll be right-clicking on it and clicking on extract. I'll be extracting on the root, not on a separate folder. I'll be extracting it directly on the root. So I'll click on extract files. So the files have been extracted. I'll just click on reload. Okay, so it has extra folder in it. So I'll just enter in that folder. I'll click select all, and I'll click move to move the files to the root. So I'll just cut this, and this is the path I want to move all these files to. I'll click move files. So the files have been moved. I'll just click up one level. So this is my root. So here in my root, I'm in my root, and here I have the files I wanted to place on my root. So these are some extra folders which I had after I extracted the zip, so I'll just delete those because those are really unnecessary. And the thing you want to ensure is that you have deleted this zip which you uploaded previously, because if you keep this on the root, it might impose a serious security threat to your site. So I'll be right clicking on it and click on delete and skip the trash. Great. So I have all the files and folders of the PHP script on my root. So now the next step will be to going under my domain. So this is the domain, test.winijob.com. I'll be clicking. So this was blank before. So I'll now just reload this. So yeah, I'm in my installation page. From here I can activate the license, enter the database details which I had previously created. So to get the license at first, we need to go under my account page on the winijob.com site. From here we can see this license menu. You can just click on this and we can just copy this full license. We can just click on this copy. We can come back to the site, and in this license key field we can just paste it. Great. Now in the database name, if you remember, we had created a database. So we can I had previously copied it. So instead of copying it, I remember the name, so let me just paste it over here. Let me again copy it. So the database name was demo_test, which I had previously created. The username was also the same, and the password which I had entered during the creation of the database. So let's just enter it. Right. Now I'll click proceed to proceed to the installation. Great. The license has been activated, the database details have been saved. Now just what's remained is to start the installation itself. So here I can click start installation. So this will start the installation process for my test.winijob.com site. So let's do that. Great. The installation was just a breeze. So it took a really few milliseconds to complete the installation. So here are my details. So my admin username is admin password is this one. I can just copy this thing, and from here it says you can now log into your control panel and change your password. Note your admin area password. So this is just a default generated password, which I will be needing to change later on, so that I don't lose my access to my dashboard. So this is the section to access the administrative area. So always please remember the path. So it's your domain /administrator/login.php. So please remember the path, because we have hardened the URL so that it's not really easily detectable. So here we can add the username, which is the admin, because we got that in the previous step, which is admin, and the admin password is this one. Let me copy it and come back here. Let me cut the default one and then just paste it. Great. Let's log in. So I'm in my admin dashboard. So I can save it. No, let's ignore it for now. So this is my dashboard, which is test.winijob.com/administrator/index.php. So this is the path to always access the administrative dashboard. So so please try to take a note of the URL over to the dashboard, because even if you are not logged in, just try to view this index.php under the administrator and you will be redirected to log in. So this is the dashboard. Here I can see my licensed email, my Winijob version, which is 1.0.0. So just in case you face any issues regarding your Winijob site, so please use your licensed email shown here to contact our support team, so that they can assist you better without asking what's your license key, what's your email, what's your purchase history. So just to reduce the hassle, just use this email to contact our support team. Great. So this is the administrative area. Let's view how my front end looks. Let's go back. Great. So this looks awesome, just like our demo. So here we have the options to register as a freelancer, register as an employer. We have the beautiful UI to show how it works. We can obviously customize these things. We have the options to show the categories. We have the Winijob stats. So there was another section of latest jobs. So obviously, as this site is completely new and it doesn't have any jobs, so now whenever you will be having some jobs, though that section will be here automatically. So this is the section to sign up. This is the section, this is the footer section. Here you can add your social media links from your administrative area. Let me show you. So administrator/login.php. And from here I can access the settings, and from here if I scroll down from the general section, here I can enter my Facebook password URL, Facebook profile URL, YouTube URL, Insta URL, Twitter, and Telegram URL. So as soon as you place the URL and click on Save Changes, the social media link or the icon will be showing here. So we also have a beautiful newsletter section where the users can subscribe to your newsletter. If we now view the jobs page, so this looks really great. We have on the job section, the section where the users can search for jobs, filter via categories. We have the offers section. So obviously we don't have anything on the site. So there are no offers available because it's a completely new site we just created. So as soon as you have the offers, beautiful UI will be there. So you can check our demo.winijob.com to see how it looks. Let me show you there. So this is just a demo version. You need to purchase the full version from our official website, which is winijob.com. So from here you can view how your site will look when it has some data, like there are some jobs. So this is how the latest job section will look like. This is how the demo stats will be look like. A beautiful counter when you scroll towards it. So if we view the jobs page, there will be beautiful jobs box. From here the job applicants can apply. We have the offers page, really beautiful boxes from here where the employers can order the services they want. We have beautiful workers page where the workers directory can be viewed. So we also have really beautiful login page, sign up page. So the users can either sign up as a worker or a freelancer, or as an employer, or as a both profile. So we have a CAPTCHA to avoid bots to register on the site. We have beautiful links, as I mentioned, because as soon as you place your links, the links will be shown over here. So we have the beautiful footer, and the best part is all the pages in this site are both administrative, and the front end is mobile responsive. So you can just access it from any devices. So we have beautiful search bar in the hero section, beautiful blow up boxes on hover. So it's more than just a microjob site. So I hope this video helps you to set up your Winijob PHP script on your server and activate its license, get your site ready within a few moments. So we also have a free DFY service where we'll be installing the full site and activating the license on your server after you have purchased it. So if you have opted for that service, we'll be reaching out to you via email very soon. So if you have not purchased the Winijob PHP script yet, please consider doing so. You can view our demo anytime and try out anything you want. Check out the administrative area of our demo site to change the settings and check how it looks, and check if it will fit for you. So I hope this video helps, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you.